This is Olango Wildlife Park, Amawbia. We will be doing an in-depth tour of the park in this video. Olango Wildlife Park is located at Zion Praise Road, Ezimezi, Amawbia, which is under Awka South Local Government Area, Anambra State. The park is mainly a zoo with lots of wild and domestic animals. When you get to the park, the first thing you will notice are these horses outside the compound. The gate fee as at the time of our visit is 3,000 naira. This payment grants you access to tour the zoo and play one game in the indoor games section. However, if you want to play more games or ride the horse, you will have to pay more money. Let's go in and see the animals they have in there.
Has a name called Alex.
Okay.
Yes, and it's an omnivorous animal.
Okay.
He feeds on granules mostly. That's one of his best.
Wow.
Yeah. Very intelligent. He assimilates names and disseminates it. After which, if we start calling your name, if you know your name, if you start calling your name now, in a few hours, it will start mimicking that name.
Okay.
That is how
it behaves.
Yes. So we gave it a name, Alex.
Okay.
Right here. Baboons. And they have their names too. They are domestic animals at the same time, because even when we go in there, they are very friendly. They don't harm us.
Wow.
Because they understand our language with them.
Yeah.
Once they see you in there, they know you're there to help them.
Okay.
Because cleaning a dwelling place for someone, he knows it's a help.
Yes, and feeding.
And feeding at the same time. So this particular one is called Mama.
Mama.
Very friendly. It's a female baboon.
Okay.
Over there, the one up there, is a female baboon too.
Okay.
By name Rocky.
Okay.
Then this other one is a male baboon.
Okay.
And the name is Mufasa.
Wow.
They are all very active. Very, very active.
Wow.
Smart. When they see you coming around, they know that you're here to see them or to give them something. So they are very happy seeing you, knowing that yes, something good is going to come out. Just like when we are home and our parent goes out, we know that definitely as they are coming back, something is coming out. From they are coming back.
All right.
Rocky, then over here. This is a different species of chicken. Or fowls. These are called brahmas.
Wow.
Have you seen this type before? With hair on the legs. Look at their legs. Like
no.
Hair.
No.
Yeah.
I've seen this one. This red one, yes.
No, this one is our natural. I'm talking of the other one.
I've not seen that type.
Those
before.
ones are brahmas.
Okay.
They are different species of chicken entirely.
Okay.
And over there, you know that one is guinea fowl.
Yes.
So these ones are brahmas. They are species because of the hair.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
The hair surrounding them, because that hair is a kind of single them out from local chicken.
Okay.
You understand? For this chicken from Poland.
Okay.
Are you seeing it?
I'm not. These nets are giving me issues with you.
You know, you don't have to go inside because of
no problem.
my reasons.
No problem.
Bring it closer. You know the song.
Stay one place now.
These are eagle.
Okay.
This one too, they are very active. They are carnivorous. They eat cooked meat. if you watch, you see the meat we gave them, they've consumed them all.
Oh.
They are very active too. Very active.
Wow.
They are called golden eagle.
Okay.
Golden eagle. Very active. So these are their dwelling place.
Wow.
Civet cats.
Okay.
They are civet cats. They are both male and female. They are very active in the night as well. They are carnivorous too, but we feed them with cooked meats.
Okay.
You understand? So that they don't harm you if you go there or attack you if you go there to give them their food or clean up place for them. So they eat both what omnivores can eat.
Okay.
So these are their dwelling place for now.
Okay.
This one's a rabbit. Hey, I don't know if you've come across a Bugs Bunny.
I
the
hear
cartoon.
about it, yes.
Yes. These are just kind of they're the same thing with this, just that one is cartoon. So this one they are called rabbits. Very friendly too. They knows when you are coming to feed them. They knows when you're coming to clean up. They knows when you're coming to give them water. There is one here. There is one there, and up here.
Wow. Hello guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, do well to click the like button as it helps to promote the video further. Also ensure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more amazing contents to come.
Museum where we keep our dead animals. Like if you watch here, you see the skin of a hyena. You know hyena?
Yes.
Have you seen it before?
Yes.
Okay. So that is it.
Oh.
This is honey badger. Have you heard of honey badger before?
Yes.
Okay, the world's bravest animal. So,
it's very fearless.
Yes, that is it over there.
So that one, was it a living honey badger?
Yes.
Okay.
It was a living honey badger. They are very active too. When you're giving them food, they know. They know when you're giving them food and all that. Even when you're cleaning up the place.
Wow.
Then this one is Mongoose. Have you seen this before?
I've seen mongoose in movies, not in real life.
Not in real life.
Yes.
Okay. This one is very friendly in particular. This particular one is very friendly. We do open it sometime and play with it.
Okay.
Very friendly.
Can you open it today?
Because you are here. It is only it's for those of us that are working here.
Okay.
It's not advised to open the cage for
visitors.
No.
All right.
Because it might harm you.
No problem.
Or attack you. So these are the things we are trying to avoid.
Okay.
So this one, they are Geese. The blue one there.
Yeah.
And that one is called moorhen. This one they are Geese. But in a plural word, it is called Geese.
Okay.
Yeah, the white men call them Geese. Okay. When they are more than one.
Yeah.
Ebiogu. According to Igbo language, listen.
We call it Ebinta.
Ebinta. Which you can take your shot from here.
Wow.
Muffin. This one is another hyena. This one is a male one.
It's looking so healthy.
Yes, we call the other one do the same thing. They are both looking healthy. The other one is always shy of coming out, especially when he hears unknown voices.
Yeah.
This one is Murphy by name. That is his pet name.
Okay.
Murphy. So that is for that. Murphy. Over here. It grabs it and then
eats.
Kill after killing. It doesn't struggle with it. It will just strangle it. After strangling, then it will start eating.
Okay.
African rock python. Very active as well. And
females. Then the colorful one is males.
Male. That's how God created them. Very friendly. We go in, we play with it, and it's very friendly. But when you give it something to eat, like live chicken, all these chicks,
Yes.
You need to see it, the activity, the action of this, very, very active. So this one, hawk now.
Yes. Yes. Is it hawk or kite?
It's hawk. It's hawk. This particular one is hawk.
Okay.
Have you seen this before?
Yes.
Okay. It's called Patas monkey. Very active too.
I've seen Patas monkey when I went to the zoo in Benin City.
Okay. You saw it there?
Yes.
This is velvet monkey by species.
Okay.
Velvet monkey. So we decided to keep it here.
Okay.
So that we can watch him for some time before we decide on where else to keep it. Okay. Yeah. It's a female actually.
Okay.
Then the species of that other one, the smaller one we saw there.
Okay.
The one I show you is here. Wow. This particular one is called Jimmy. Very friendly. Very friendly. Jimmy, how are you? There are two. So smart.
Okay.
This particular species is from India.
Wow.
And they are very active.
Wow.
Did you see their eyeballs?
I can't see the eyeball.
The eye. I mean, can you see it?
I can see that of this one, but not the other one.
Okay. The feather is not even giving space to see around.
Yeah.
Because the thing is blocking the both sides.
Yeah. Wow.
Parrots, but they don't mimic, they don't assimilate or disseminate information or anything. They are just like that, but they are still parrots too.
Okay.
Jackal. Have you come across the word Jackal, the animal Jackal?
Yes. What does it eat?
They just like humans, just like dogs.
Okay.
They feed on cooked meats, cooked foods. You understand?
Okay.
Okay. They are just like dogs.
Okay.
Whatever dogs eat, they eat too.
Okay.
It's there.
Okay.
But it should be at the other, this particular side of it.
So they can stay together?
Of course. Because it has to do with water.
Okay.
Yeah.
The indoor games is located upstairs. Let's go and see what they have there. So what do you think about Olango Wildlife Park? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to click the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing contents to come. See you when I post again.